Just remanipulated an old sill section off a vehicle that we won't talk about. Not a vehicle, piece of shit. Just trying to bump it to the right degrees because it's not a full 90. I'm sure Trev Blogs will be going, what the are you doing? Why are you doing it like that? Because I don't know any different, Trev. So this is profile of me sill, I think. Just going to check it again. Then I can bump that round in the little bender and see if we can get that kind of shape. So, can you see that? Yeah, just. So 5mm increments, I think that'll probably be enough for what I need to do. So we just gently bump that. I could hear Trev going, no, what are you doing that for? One side bumping more than the other. So yeah, pretty much got that. It was 5mm narrower than at the front, so I just had to bump it a bit of an angle just to fetch that, and that's not bad. That'll be fine. We'll go to whack that into shape. So that should hopefully get it right. There we go. All cleaned up. We'll get that swept out. Get some of that scale out the inside of there. And just on the inside, you can't see them. There's some caps. We'll pop them out when we finish welding and fill it full of cavity wax and get it all sealed up and hopefully stop it going too much further. I mean, it's 08. It's always going to be. Well, it's 08 and it's a crafter. They're always going to rot, but maybe we can slow it up a bit. Let's give it a go. First tack's in. Oh, wait, there we go. So, not looking too bad. A bit of deal with that somehow. Not quite sure we'll sort something. And then obviously these are well, I fucked up really, but it's okay, we'll get it, no problem. There we go. So, get a bit of filler on that now. Plenty of seam sealer, under seal, and then I think pretty much got away with that. It's not too wobbly at all. It's got a bit low there. Oh, quite a lot low. Never mind. We'll fetch that back out with some filler. And if we don't, it's 2008 for goodness sake. What do you expect? No problem. Okay, let's go. So I decided, since I'm here, I've got a bit of rust around here and about here. So let's just give it a bit of rust treatment, refill this, get it all filled and primed. But I'm going to paint it in a minute anyway and do some sealing, so we may as well do it all while we're here. Sorted. So a quick update. Got carried away, so that panel needs doing. This is all back in, filled. Just a bit more rubbing down. We'll get that primed up. There we go, all masked up. I know. Shouldn't really use newspaper, but to be honest, there's no other use for them, is there? Nothing good comes out of them apart from masking your van up. So we'll get that, a bit of extra primer under there on all the bare metal bits, bit of primer up the door post, and then start schutzing. Schutzing? Yeah, schutzing. Well, looks like we're there. So this was the repair from there to about here somewhere. I've done the lot, shuts it inside, not shuts, gravitexed it inside and out. It's all at the back edge, so it's kind of all sealed all round. So tomorrow, I'm going to try and get this painted today. And that bit that I started, I wished I hadn't. I'll get that painted today. Then tomorrow we'll pop the caps out when all this has gone off nicely. All this has gone off nicely. And we'll get the cavity wax up the back. Just blast it full of cavity wax inside and out. I think I'll pop this little grommet out here with the light in. Shove the cavity wax down there as well. Get it everywhere. Give the lad a sporting chance. Need new rubbers as well, look. Oh dear. There we go. So that's, I mean, it needs polishing. So I need a quick waft over. But colour match is good out of a rattle can. Pleased with that. Everything looks tidy. Repaired. We'll get that waxed up tomorrow. I did just thinking about, I didn't like the chrome W badge on the back, so I've done that, and I just thought while I'm waiting for that to dry, because I need to set its own, I'll just have a quick play with that.